All right, everyone, our next video is going to be about using the discussion forum on Brightspace. Up at the top, looking at the nav bar, that's our next thing up here. It says discussions. We're going to click on that, and that'll open up the discussions page. Now, right now, there are two discussion areas. As the course goes on, there will be more that are added on, more areas for you to discuss various topics. The first one is the introduction to Brightspace. So this is where you're going to practice. And in this one, what you're going to do is you're actually going to, within the first post, you are actually going to create a thread answering the question, what is something interesting or entertaining you have done recently? It can be any topic. I don't care what it is, as long as it's school appropriate. So you will do that in the first post section. And then once people have started putting in their threads, you will also have to respond to one other person's thread. And again, make it school appropriate, be supportive. You won't be able to respond to anybody's thread until you have actually created one yourself. So to do that, you click on first post, and you will see here up at the top it says start a new thread. And you can also see that it says you must start a thread before you can read and reply to the other threads. So you click on start a new thread, you put in a subject, something interesting I did, and then you can, in here, in this large section, tell everyone something interesting that you have done or entertaining that you have done recently. All right. Once you have done that, you will click on post. So let's see, something recently I did that was entertaining for me. I'm sure it won't be entertaining for the rest of you, but I learned how to create and maintain a Reddit bot using Python. So, like I said, that's probably not going to be entertaining for anybody else but me, but it was entertaining for me, and that's what matters. So, down here at the bottom, once you have finished typing it in, you are going to click on post. And once you do that, you will see that it will appear in the threads for first post. All right, so now once you have posted your own, everybody else's will show up and you'll be able to respond to it. So to respond, you open up the thread and you can see above and below there is something that says reply to thread. So you click on reply to thread and you can say, wow, that's really interesting. And you can click on post, and you will see that a reply has shown up. All right.